She'll remain on parole supervision in Monroe County for 10 years.
We didn't know. Nobody telling.
Annette Monstream accepted a plea deal in 2000. She pleaded guilty to manslaughter and criminal possession of a weapon. Annette Monstream said Northrup then drove John Monstream's body in the family minivan to Niagara Falls.
Who is from the Rochester area, could be freed as early as this week. The body of her husband, John.
Their mother in prison because he says that's what a psychologist advised.
She's their mother. They knew her.
He was told she was released early for good behavior and because by law she served her time.
Victim present wishes to speak.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Young, all the information you entered on that sheet right there is correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Young, arrest warrant 2015 A38-1070. The above defendant did have knowledge that the felony of murder was committed, concealed in the harbor of Luther Green in his escape from arrest. Luther Green was located in a motel room rented by the defendant. This incident did occur in the county of Orangeburg, state of South Carolina. You understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
Arrest warrant 2015 A38-10700441. Obstruction of justice based on the investigation by the Orangeburg County Sheriff's Office that on July 5th, 2015 at the 1600 hours, the defendant Kimberly Ann Young did violate the common law structure of obstruction of justice by intentionally making statements.
I would just like to state that this has been a tragic event for his mom, his sister, and the rest of his family members. They are not from here. They do not know this defendant. We are requesting bond denial.
And your name is?
I'm Celeste Evans.
Anything you need to say in reference to me setting bond?
This has been a senseless.
And the person was brought before me, of course, is innocent of any charges until proven guilty. I don't see where I need to deny bond on her. Accessory obstruction of justice, I can understand that. The court is not inclined to feel that we need to deny bond on her at this particular time. Still have her day in court. She's innocent until proven guilty. We do $15,000 cash assured on each one of the charges. Got a total due of $30,000 in cash assured, Ms. Young. You have any means of posting this bond, or you want to speak to a bondsman?
May I speak to the bondsman?
Who do you know who you want to talk to?
Donnie Young.
All right, have a seat at the table for me, please. Donnie.
February, Shrita's body was found inside a sleeping bag inside her Mercedes Island. Police said Ewing killed Shrita a few days before Valentine's.
Sam told him
Details of the murder, why and how Ewing killed Shrita have never been made public. By accepting a plea deal, Those details may never be known, and Samanata Shrita's family is spared having to relive their daughter's
A fight, and in Ewing's words, she gave into hatred.
She killed Shrestha in February 2014. She told the court the two had planned to have sex and they had a date night. Later, the two argued about the direction their relationship was taking.
Come to order, all right.
Now, she told the court after she killed her, she wrapped her in.
Ewing was sentenced in June to serve 45 years in prison for strangling fellow Virginia Tech. She says she endured as a child at the hands of a friend's dad and a rape she suffered at Virginia.
The sentencing guidelines received by the judge, the lack of a weapon typically reduces the
Matt, bring him over this way.
Luis, you want to say anything?
Could you just give her some room, please?
Was your intention to kidnap the child?